Hello students, so welcome to once again online fine art class by Rohit sir. Students, in our previous class we discussed about in detail Pahari miniature painting origin and development. In our today class we are going to discuss the characteristic features of Pahari school of miniature painting. So students, the question which will ask you in the final examination is like this: describe the characteristic features of Pahari school of miniature painting. So the first is subject matter. The subject matter can be broadly divided into the following three categories. First is religious, dharmic. Ramayana and Mahabharata, Shiva, Parvati, Bhagavad Puran are illustrated. Romantic scenes are also shown. For example, Naik Naika Veda, Geet Govinda related to Krishna, Bihari Satsai and Ragmala paintings are included in the subject matter. So third one is general topics, in which there are so many paintings like portraits, royal court scenes, general life, Baramasa, and there are so many paintings related to festival. So the second characteristic feature is linear beauty, means the beauty of lines. So the lines are rhythmic and smoothness through lines. So artist has shown rhythmic and smoothness through lines. Fine lines were used in the jewelry and other details. So the lines can be used in the jewelry and other details. So there are so many different type of use of line. So line is also one of the features of Pahari school of miniature painting. The next one is description of nature. Trees, cloud, water, jungles, different type of natural scenes are depicted. Extra have all been depicted in full charm. Okay, so the paintings in which these elements are added have so many charm to the spectator or viewer. Depiction of landscape including mountains. So artist had also depicted so many landscape in which he painted mountains, beautiful floral trees. Floral trees means trees with flowers. Okay, rivers, lotus flowers and birds in the sky. So artist has also shown rainy seasons, cloud lightning and greenery nicely painted. So cloud lightning in the sky and greenery had nicely painted by the artist. People sitting around fire. So there are different type of paintings which includes people around sitting around the fire during winter. So there are winter scenes and people playing Holi in summers. Also shows seasons and festival scenes. So next one is female figures. Women have shown in profile, side face. Artist has shown woman as profile face, side face, almost in line with the foreground, means the line of nose and forehead is in one line. The eyes are long and narrow. So the eyes are long and narrow and the chin is sharp. The next one is garments and ornaments. Choli, lehenga and transparent odhnis worn by women. So different types of garments depicted in the painting like choli, lehenga, transparent odhnis worn by women. This is the dress code for the women, and the males have shown wearing angrakha, pajama and turban. So this is the dress code for male members. Krishna has also seen wearing pitambar, yellow garments. So Krishna has depicted with yellow type of garments. Yellow is also known as pitambar. Romantic scene also painted, in which lots of romantic scenes found in Basoli and Kangala painting. Love scene love in painting. Okay, so when we discuss about the Basoli painting, so there are so many painting related to the love scene of Radha and Krishna. So we can say that there are so many paintings which shows romantic scenes. Love in painting is freely expressed. So in this painting, artists feel freely to express the painting with love. Krishna symbolizes God, in which Krishna depicted in the painting symbolize God, and the Radha depicted in the painting symbolize soul. Colors, mostly bright colors like primary colors red, blue and yellow are used. Some mixed pink, green, mauve. Mauve means blue and violet. The color near to blue and violet. So mauve color and grey colors are used. They also symbolize red and yellow for love and passion. So the colors for love and passion symbolized with red and yellow. Depiction of animal and birds. So in this painting there are so many depictions of birds and animals, like all the themes like Ras Manjari, Bhagbat, Geet Govinda, Bihari Satsai, Baramasa and Ragmala series painted with animals and birds, like means we can say that birds and animals have been depicted in different types of these scenes, these themes, like animals and birds like deer, swan, cow, elephant can be seen easily in the painting related to this theme. So the use of gold and silvers, too much use of gold and silvers depicted in these paintings. The color scheme is brilliant and golden color is used. The use of gold and silver color in garments. So they also painted gold and silver in garments and ornamental details. Okay, so use of borders. So the one of the main identity of these paintings of Pahadi are the borders. So without border it is not possible to be a Pahadi painting complete. So the use of border is very essential. So artist in this painting of Pahadi, we find ornamental borders. We find ornamental borders of Mughal style. The red and yellow borders are used in Pahadi painting. So in Pahadi painting we can see that red and yellow borders are used. Okay students, so this is our topic related to the characteristic features of Pahadi miniature painting. So in our next class, next topic, we will choose our next topic. So thanks and have a nice day.